kasama mo? Tita Janelle, Tito Owen, si Baby. Ay, pinakamagandang tita na. Saan si Benji makulit? Where's Benji na makulit? Ayun! Shh. Say hi.
Naka-isang coffee ba siya? Tikman mo?
Masarap yan.
Isang coffee ba siya?
Hello!
May mango ka ba? Ay, ano sabi mo? Melon? May mango?
Where are we? Asa ba yun?
Isang lemon berry, isang lemon pie.
We are here at Coco Pan.
Isang melon, saka isang biscuit.
Hello vlog. Sabi mo hello vlog. We're here at Commonwealth.
Ano din na natin?
Ano ba? Where are you now? Nililibre kami ni Janelle May ng Midnight Snack. Sponsor. Kunwari sponsor. Kakain kami ng, what's this? Cheese tea. Ano ba in-order niyo?
Ayaw mo?
Ayaw niya.
Mami, dito
Ikaw kumakain yan. Ano, French fries?
gusto mo pa
French
yun?
fries.
Yan nga yung orderin natin.
Ayaw, gusto niya french fries. Ikaw na si daddy.
Na? Bakit?
Kasi sabi mo daddy.
Daddy. Nandito kami kina Ina. Ay, si Ina.
Kumuha ka ng damit mo na daw.
Ayun, si Kayan.
Ayun, si ano. Ayun, si Becca. Becca. Becca.
Ay, si Beckham. Hi, Beckham. Bakit Beckham?
Student siya. Sabi niya. Student ka. Becca. Ano? Oh.
Wala yun. Nasaan kami? We're here. Staying. Hindi kami sa airport. Ito na ito. Inisip po. Inisip po ng baby. Bawa naman. Hindi naman naulan yun. Nag-sleep na si Kuya Kay. Ano na siya kalalo. Wow. Parang shower lang si Kuya Kay. Tapos mag-play siya. Let's check. Itong may na to, ano yung... Anong chinichika mo dyan, may? Picture lang kita. Dito sa gitna ka lang. Picture lang nga. Kayong dalawa ni Kuya Kay. Don't wanna hear you say. Tell me. I want it that way.
and our official man and wife, Mr. and Mrs. Ubungay. So while waiting then,
Bawal
meron tayong
mag-stand.
selfie here at the back
Bawal
para po
mag-stand.
sa mga guests natin. If you want to have some
Selfie
beautiful
niyo.
shots together with your guests, loved ones, and relatives, pwede po kayo mag-picture doon. And in a few minutes po, we will open also the amenities na meron tayo, which is the
Ipang sa
breathing room
SM yan.
together with the photo booth. So you know what? Just sit back and relax. We have our assist and staff from Joyce Events and catering services para po sa ating mga needs. So again, we're usapang your
Hindi, uwi na
the first
mamaya.
half of our program for the wedding reception at our officially man and wife, none other than Mr. and Mrs. Obuya. Thank you so much and see you in the first half.
Ano first half? Ayan na pala.
Ako parang nagugutom na. Parang nagugutom na konti ng energy. Isa nga, malakas na parang mga naman sigaw naman dyan! Alright, good afternoon to everyone. So guys, before this celebration start, at habang hintay natin ang iba natin mga bisita, we're doing our games para po sa inyo. Because it's time to welcome our newlywed couple, none other than Mr. and Mrs. John Oliver and Char Abule! Ang kasiyahan, tunay na pagmamahal ay maramdaman. Lalo na doon sa salaban. Aming sayo mo.
Find the wrong street. I pray that she find you someday. But it's
Mr. Oliver and Mommy Rodelia for the first dance as a couple.
only phones brush but I can't help falling in love with you. Shall I say, would it be a sin?
Okay, so this time you need to slice your cake in a perfect triangle shape. Ayan, sa baba, pwede rin po. Ayan. Okay, then you need to transfer an our plate.
The best things we do this time still. It's all because of you. It's better than said. Cause we can talk it through.
Ayun, ayan. So thank you so much. Dito po tayo sa gitna. And Sir John, mawag ka na po nung plane. Dito po tayo. Ayan. Thank you so much. So, harap po kayo sa isa't isa. So, Sir John, ikaw muna. Sir John, sabi nila, kung gano'n daw kalaking cake ang makakain ng misis mo, gano'n ka daw niya kamahal. Kaya, Mr. John, yung misis na yun nag-ano. So, si Sir John Oliver, it's time to feed your wife. Mrs. Ubungin, open your mouth and ayan, muna na si Sir. Ay, sorry. Okay, so this time charm or Mrs. Charm Ubungin, sabi naman daw nila, sa plaka ng bagong mag-asawa, bawal ang may tira. Kaya, alam mo na. So, Mr. John or John Oliver, open your mouth because it's time to feed your husband, Mrs. Charm Ubungin. Minabalik-manilang nila yung page na parang kupis lang. Okay, thank you so much. Ayan, sige po.
Okay, asa mo na! Can I touch you? Can't believe that you are. How did I ever find you? You're the dream that saved my life. You're the reason I survive. Baby, never thought that I could love someone as much as I love you. I know it's crazy, but it's true. Never thought that I could need someone as much as I do.
Yes.
Lord,
Ako yung second. Yes, no.
everything I am, everything I am,
Ako nga yun.
everything I do, everything you do, I give it to your Lord, I give it to you, Lord, and do it faithfully, every song I sing, every grace I give, everything I do is a gift to you. To you. Everything I am, everything you do, everything I'm everything to you. I give it to your Lord. I give it to you, Lord.
The next day.
Diretso lang muna.
Ay, hindi. Tumakbo ka kayo. Buyaw ka na lahat. Huwag kang kabahan. Ang sakit nakita mo tumakbo. Tumakbo ka.
Kuya Kay. Ubus na? Ubus na?
It's raining. Turn on the wipers. You are such an excellent truck driver. Pull the road to honk the horn. You are such an excellent truck driver. You are such an excellent truck driver. You are awesome. Item is delivered.
Let's take a surprise.
O, mag-smile ka, smile. Smile. Ayos, bibidyo kita. Yes.
Lord,
Ako yung second.
Lord.
Yes na.